Hey, what's up, Dean? Super Performance back. It is Monday 22nd or something like that. Just Trailblazer. I got the dipstick tube and the little adapter because the sort of top, if you want to call it 10 o'clock ish hole, is not, they're not drilled and tapped in the blocks. So I got the dipstick tube in, and then maybe, yeah, no, it's there, I know it is. I just keep looking around. Hold on. The little adapter, where is it? There it is. You can see the little adapter for the 4L80. So I got that in, which is good. Transmission cross members made. Oh, I got my phone flipped. Hold on. Okay, now I got it up in the air, but cross members made. I couldn't really go up high because of the exhaust, so I just left it toward the back of the tubes, kind of what I said in the other video. And then I got the bushings in there, some new hardware, a little bit bigger. Bent the little tab out, put some 1/4-inch plate. I actually hole sawed this so that it wraps up and around the bar really good. Same with that side. Dipstick tube is in, transmission lines are made. So I came down, I put the little holders on it, and then kind of came through the frame here, straight to the radiator, straight all the way up to the cooler. So they're one solid line all the way, and then out of the cooler, or out of the radiator, comes over to the cooler, one solid line. So now there's not the metal lines going up with all the funny adapters and everything that look real ugly. So yeah, all I have left are the two wires, which is the orange and the blue. I have to take, and there's a bunch of different ways to do these. I'm used to taking the 3 wires out of the plug, putting the 2 wires up to the front, input speed sensor on the 4L80. You can kind of sort of almost see it somewhere. I don't know. You can't see it. It's right in there, right behind the switch. That's it right there. You can kind of see the gold plate with the little black sensor. So I'm just always used to putting these up to that. Then you go up to the TCM. Now this was the part I got kind of lost because this is all-wheel drive, but the computers don't care about all-wheel drive on this. It just works. But what I got confused is that this has like almost like a secondary speed sensor right here that went into the transmission back speed sensor. Then this one went to the transfer case, and they might just split off from each other. I don't really know. I don't think they do, but they're the same color, purple with a white, green. I think it has a black stripe. Yeah, purple with a white, green with a black stripe. And this is green with a black, purple with a white. So they're the same color. Is that the right one? Yeah. That one goes up to there. So they're the same color wires. So I don't know, but this is the one from the back of the transfer case. This is the extra plug dangling from the transfer case, which again is another green with a black, purple with a white. So I'm not really sure what all is happening with these wires. I haven't pulled a schematic on it, but you can see they're wrapped together. So they're definitely some sort of speed sensor. Now it could have to do with traction control, anti-lock brakes. It could have to do with all of that stuff. So we'll have to kind of see But the only thing I need to change is one pin up at the ECU, or the TCM, which I thought, I don't remember where it is on his truck, but yeah, moving along pretty good. Hopefully the oil and stuff will show up in a little bit, and I'll get that wire swapped over right now, and then or trans fluid, not oil, and we'll go from there. I'm gonna let it sit and run for a little bit, but all right. Got the funnel in it. I probably got about 10.5 quarts in it right now. I already flashed in the tune file that I made the 4L80 segment swap on. I swapped the pin at the TCM 45 to 26, I believe is what it is. I don't know off the top of my head. Shift indicator is showing, so it works. I don't know if you can see it, and it bumps right into gear. So it goes all the way down to 1. So good oil pressure. I just put new oil in it. Mobile Wind synthetic. Ain't got no gas. Ain't got no gas in it. Wideband's not plugged in. This is the wideband I use for tuning. And the wires are down there somewhere for it. So I'll plug those in eventually and then plug it into the HP tuners, but I'm gonna let it sit here and run. That's that tick cam. Appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified of new videos, leave me a comment. Appreciate you watching. Have a good day.